Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto E15 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it, and to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some deep pop-up. And decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!